Hi guys! Today we're going to make a book trailer. This is like a movie preview, but for a book. This project will take place of a written essay. This book, Shade's Children, is the one I will use as an example. The setting of this book takes place in the future, after what's called the Change. Overlords rule the world, and humans lived in cramped conditions until they're sent to the meat factory. The characters in this book are the ones that manage to escape. The plot follows the characters as they creep through the sewers under the city. They survive battles with overlords, and their ultimate goal is to destroy the Grand Projector, which will free the humans and destroy the overlords.